Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I want to get on camera for a few minutes here and talk about the reason why I decided to take my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy in for repair. So if you have been following my channel for a while, you will know that I purchased a bag back in January of 2021, so this year. That makes the bag about 2 months old, if not 2 months and like a week old, at the point when I took the bag in for repair. So it's not like I had the bag for a while. It was only about 2 months old. So what I noticed when I was wearing the bag one day is that where the hardware was meeting the leather tabs, it was wearing horribly. And I just didn't think it was normal wear and tear for the bag to be that new and have this kind of wear on the leather tabs. I had a Speedy 25 before, prior to buying this Nano Speedy. So I knew that this was not normal. So I texted the pictures to the CA that has helped me previously. I texted her the pictures and asked whether this was expected wear and tear. I'm a little bit concerned since this bag is only 2 months old. And she took the pictures and showed it to her manager, and her manager said, well, you can bring it in for repair. So that's what I decided to do. And I was able to go in to the boutique. There was a long line out the door, but because I have worked with a specific CA before, they kind of let me in because she was available to take me in on a weekday. So I walked in, and we were in this room where they do the custom piece order. And she took a look and she was able to fill out a form where I could send the bag in for repair. She did mention that the bag would take 6 to 8 weeks for it to be shipped out and come back with the repair done. And I said, that's fine. And she said she'll be able to comp the repair cost because the bag is so new, and all of that is great. And if you have seen the picture inserted on the screen, you will see that I had actually issues with the 3 of the 6 total leather tabs, so 2 where it holds a long strap, and then the 4 tabs that actually hold the handles. So she was able to put in repair requests for the 2 leather tabs that hold the long strap. And although I only had issues with 1 of the leather tabs that hold the handles, there wasn't an option to repair just once, so she put in requests for all of those 4 to be replaced. And she said the repair cost, if I had to pay for those to be all replaced, would be $400 through the boutique. According to the manager and other folks who work in the boutique, this can continue to happen to the bag. And I don't know whether I want to bear the cost of $400 to repair it every time. And I've had this bag for only 2 months. So at this point, I don't know whether I want to keep the bag after it comes back from repair. I might sell it for how much I bought it for, which was before the price increase. That'll allow me to get most of my money back. And I've been thinking about getting a Speedy 25 in a Damier Ebene print eventually sometime this year. I don't have the funds to purchase anything luxury right now for personal reasons. But if I end up selling the Nano Speedy because I'm so concerned about the wear that it's going to have again in a few weeks of wearing the bag. And by the way, I've only worn the bag for less than 20 times, maybe 10 times even. And it had terrible wear on the leather tab, and knowing myself, I would be very concerned about the wear. So I don't know whether I will want to keep the bag anymore once I get it back from the repair. That's a short story about why I decided to send in my Nano Speedy for repair and the reason why I may not keep it. Has nothing to do with, oh, there was a price increase, so now I can sell for more money or anything like that. I just don't know whether I want to deal with a bag with continuous issues, especially when the boutique has said, hey, this might be happening to you again and again. So yeah, that's where I am. I know there's a lot of hype around this bag, and I don't think there's anyone out there who's really talking about the potential issues you can have with the bag. And, you know, the bag is only $1,300, but it's still a lot of money. Don't know about you, but I work very hard for my money every day. I have to put up with a lot of BS at work to be able to afford luxury. So knowing what I have to deal with in the future, I don't know whether I want to keep it. So hope you guys found this helpful for you, especially if you're considering to buy the Nano Speedy. Let me know if you guys have any other questions about the bag. I would love to answer some of your questions or concerns you might have before you buy the bag. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you guys back on my channel with more positive news in the future.